Hey guys, Aiden here, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a microwaving video. I know it's kind of odd, but found a microwave the other day, dumpster diving, so if you guys don't know, that's my thing that I like to do is dumpster diving. But, so today we're going to be microwaving tinfoil, giant sheet of tinfoil. We got 3 cans of spray paint, which these are RC car paint, but same thing as spray paint. $6.25 a can. We got some Joe's Olay Chimichangas, Pepsi bottle, disc, a CD, floppy disk, couple CDs. Hang on, don't vandalize it yet. And then got some manual. We got spark plug. Spark plug. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed. See, we got spark plug. So we're going to be microwaving that and the box, because why not? Bike reflector, 3 AA's, and another spark plug. So we're only going to be doing about half this stuff this video, and then we're going to do the other half in another video. So there will be 3 parts. So those are going to be the 2 parts, and then we're going to take this thing apart and microwave the internals. So then that'll be part number 3. So let me set up my camera. And so right now we're going to spray paint microwave. See, this is our trusty dusty microwave.
It's like this thing or something I can't get it to spray.
Yo, I'm going to start my intro. What's good?
It's because of the tip.
What's good? I'm here with Aiden S.
Yeah, the tip's jammed.
JP123.
So I'm going to set up my camera real quick, guys.
And we're doing a microwave video. And yeah, credits to the Mr. Beast dude. He was the one that did this first. And yeah, let's get into this.
Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video real quick so we can get set up, and then we're going to continue on our way.
How you doing?
Alright guys, it's Aiden here. Make sure we're rolling. Alright, it's Aiden here. We're going to start off tinfoil ball.
Okay, let's do this.
Let me zoom you guys. Actually, I'm going to take you guys off the tripod real quick. And we're going to get close up. Might not even use tripod today. Alright. That does not sound good. So as you can see, vandalized microwave a little bit, but you know what? That's good.
No free brand, dude.
So we're going to go.
I'm moving away. I don't even care.
And you guys can hear?
Oh, you can smell
It
that.
smells like burnt. It smells burnt. Alright.
It's like all,
Nothing too special.
except the burnt bars.
Ow! Tinfoil ball is hot. It's very hot. See?
There's the aftermath.
There's the ball.
Inside the microwave.
But you know what? Just for a little bit of extra measures. Careful. Just you know, just in case.
Do it.
Here, hold this. Hold this. Just so we got a better chance of, you know, getting some real action here. We're gonna go. Alright, shut it, shut it.
You can see fire.
You can hear that, guys. I'm sorry if the wind is so bad.
There we go.
Okay, let's see the back if it's smoking yet. Oh yeah, you can see the fan running.
Okay, set you guys down right quick. I probably don't want to do that. Get spray paint on my phone. Alright, Xander, you stand over there, record. We're gonna do some of that action.
Okay.
See that fire?
Oh,
Fire?
Okay, let's I think we
It was
should
on fire.
I think we should stop. or else it's gonna like.
I wish we could see through.
Yo, this is about to.
You can when it's on fire.
Yeah, you can see the fire.
Oh.
Is it on fire?
It's still going?
Dude, we're gonna use that if it just in case.
Alright, hang on. Oh yeah, you can smell that.
After
A little burnt.
that's a little burnt, just a little burnt.
It's hot. We'll save that for later and then we'll unravel it.
See what's the damage.
Hey, where's the other part of the tinfoil? Alright, there. So now we're gonna try this and we're gonna take a little
No,
chunk.
don't wrinkle it up though.
No, we're gonna take a little chunk like this, do it nice and flat,
And then we're just gonna put some snow in there too.
and we're gonna go like that as you get. No! Not the other tinfoil! No!
Okay.
Alright, so here, point the camera in here.
There's snow
So
in
now we got tinfoil there.
there. And snow.
Yep, alright, so we're gonna shut this real right quick and start microwaving that. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Did you do that?
Yeah, there you guys go. There's a little bit of action for ya. Oh! There's a bunch of different colors.
It's like fireworks.
This is definitely not good for the microwave. Let's just stop this real right quick. Oh, it's on fire. It's on fire.
Yep, that's definitely on fire.
Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab some real right quick.